And for today's cyber liability awareness segment, we have Meredith Bennett from USLI. Meredith, thank you for joining us today. We'll get right to the hot topic. So what does cyber liability insurance cover?
Cyber liability insurance at USLI covers more than you may think. We only write cyber liability when packaged with errors and omissions for either technology classes or miscellaneous classes. So you would get errors and omissions, media liability, network security and privacy liability, regulatory action, payment card industry fines and penalties, and then all of the first party expenses that we've all known to come and love, which would be your data breach expenses, including coverage for ransomware, cyber extortion, business interruption, dependent business interruption, system failure damage, reputational harm. The list goes on and on. Cryptojacking, bricking, all those coverages with the fun names. We also offer social engineering fraud, telecom fraud, and wire transfer fraud. So there's a lot of coverage packed into our policy.
Yeah, so you just went on a long list of coverages there. So what types of claims are you seeing hit the market right now?
Our most common claim at this point is for managed service providers, because we write a lot of technology errors and omissions packaged with that cyber liability. We're seeing the managed service providers become a target. So USLI writes up to companies with up to 15 million in revenue. And so they're a little bit smaller managed service providers than some of the big names out there. But if you've kind of watched the news at all, some of these targets they're going after software that the managed service providers are utilizing. And so the thought for the hackers is that if they get into the managed service provider, then they also have access potentially to get into all the managed service providers' clients. So they're getting more bang for their buck. So that's really what's trending right now.
Oh, it is a very scary time, especially cyber liability. So Meredith, we thank you for your time today. We appreciate it. And we'll catch up with you soon. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.